So, what is my library account? First, I'll do a search in OneSearch. Information literacy. It's going to take me to my results. And the first thing I notice in my results is that I'm not signed into my library account. You can see here it's prompting you to sign in. You can see in the yellow it's prompting you to sign in. And if I click on any of these records, there'll be another prompt where it says sign in for more information. So if I'm not signed in, I won't be able to access this ebook or be able to download articles. So we want to make sure as soon as we get to OneSearch, we sign in. So let's sign in. This tab will pop up. You're going to click Student Employee Login. And then you'll put in your campus ID and password. So it's going to take us right back to our search page. It took me right back to the ebook record I was on. And you can see that you're signed in right here when your name appears. To take a look at your account, you can click My Account. And I don't have any loans or requests, but this is where you would find all your loans, due dates, fines, and this is your account.